Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? So we've had some nice pumps out there, but the yield on everything has just dried up. Well, today I have a special new farm. Call it whatever you want, but RootKit.Finance. So RootKit aims to be the next generation of core. I know it's been tried like 99 million times by people, and most have failed. Encore was a complete disaster. There's just been disaster after disaster. Now, what makes RootKit so interesting? Well, a lot of things make RootKit interesting. So, in essence, a similar model you're providing. They're having an LGE event, a liquidity event. You put your liquidity in, and it's locked forever. So repeat, step one, your liquidity is locked forever. It's another one of those, just like Core. They have a Telegram, Twitter, GitHub, Medium, but what makes this special is they are starting this liquidity event in 1 day and 1 hour. It will last 8 days. There's no top cap. Now, here is the interesting part. 7 days after the liquidity event is over, they will pair it with 100% of the tokens. So let me repeat, 100% of the tokens. Now, why is that different? Well, because in all of these other ones, it always gives people the chance to trade, dump, bots. So what this aims to do is, in actuality, be the fairest launch of a deflationary farming liquidity locked system that's ever been released. Now, what else? They also will have an underlying wrapped KETH, which is like a wrapped ETH, which can be traded for WETH. Now, I'm not sure if that's what the divs will be paid in, if they'll be paid in KETH, but in essence, you'll be able to cash these out without having to worry about bots. So, very, very interesting project. And then the way it's designed, the liquidity, underlying liquidity, can be moved to fund trading pools and provide liquidity without affecting the core of the main pool. And they want to start 2 pools off to the side of that for trading. But the thing that's interesting to me is that the theoretical bottom on this token is set because 100% of the coins are minted and paired to liquidity as soon as it starts. So theoretically, at the start, that is the lowest price that the token could go to. Now, how that will work out in the real world, I don't know. Some important things to know. As always, I do not know if this is an anonymous group or what. There's always the potential for a rug, so I wouldn't sell the farm to go in. But this is definitely an interesting project which kicks off tomorrow, and I'll probably throw an ETH or 2 at it. So, hope you liked today's video. As always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.